Python version of C#S conditional operator? I saw this question, but it uses the operator as a null check. I want to use it as a bool true/false test. I have this code in Python. In C#, I could write this as. Is there a similar way to do this in Python?
Yes, you can write. This is called a conditional expression in Python.
On the null coalescing operator in C#, what you have in the question isn't a correct usage. That would fail at compile time. In C#, the correct way to write what you're attempting would be this. Null coalesce in C# returns the first value that isn't null in a chain of values, or null if there are no non-null values. For example, what you'd write in C# to return the first non-null trait or a default trait if all the others were null is actually this.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.